I'm doing a haul. I've bought a lot of random things in the past few weeks and I have not shared them. I'm going to start off with promos now so we can get them done and over with. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you'd like. Right here, links are below. My Etsy shop, I sell BTS handmade stickers. Go check them out. My shop name is Kira's Handmade Things. Quick little introduction if you are new to me. My name is Kira. It's pronounced Kira, not Kyra. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Cork in Ireland. So I'm gonna get into this video and I'm just gonna show you all these random things that I got. So the other day I went to this place called The Range. It's basically like IKEA kind of, but not as humongous and not as confusing. So the first bit of storage I got is this. They're pastel drawers. This was $13.50 and you get 8 drawers. They're fairly narrow drawers, but I didn't care because I needed narrow drawers and I like the colours. They are cute. I just keep each member's stickers. I have new stickers out. They're photo card stickers. They're really good quality. They are like a matte glossy finish. So go check them out. Like honestly, they're really good. But I keep like Namjoon stickers in here. That's fun. I also got these boxes. I got 7 of them, one for each member. So this is where I keep the photo card stickers. Like that's where they're kept. And those boxes, I thought they were €1.05, but then when I got up to the till, like I checked my receipt later on, it was like 95 cents a box, which is really good, and it holds 0.1 litre. If anyone's interested, like who cares how many litres a box holds? Like, is that where you're storing your milk? The next thing that I got down there is a bin because I needed a bigger bin. My one was like a pink one from when I was probably 10 years old, and it was way too small to hold the amount of paper that I just cut up all the time. It's just a grey bin. It was €6. The last thing that I got down there is tissue paper. It's basically peach with white butterflies on it. I believe I paid €1.50 or €2. You get 9 sheets of it. I use it, I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it when people mark their items as gifts on Etsy. I bought some stuff on Amazon as well, and I guess the first thing I bought is it's basically for organization, maybe. But it's a gold letter holder. It's a wire one. It's so pretty. I think I paid about €12. They have them in like rose gold. It's very easy to find them in rose gold and like copper or silver. It's pretty hard to find it in gold, but I managed to find it finally, and they shipped to Ireland, so I had to buy it. I just put like if there's any letters or something that I need to keep. And the other thing off Amazon that I got is for shipping with Etsy as well, but I thought these were going to be a lot smaller because after Christmas I want to try and make my own photo cards, so keep an eye out. That will probably end up happening. I got these plastic baggies. They're C7 size, I think. There's 200 of these in here. These are about like €9 for the 200 pack, but next time I am going to get the really small ones. I recently went to Dublin again. I didn't vlog it because I just wanted to kind of relax, but I did buy a few things. I don't think I bought as much as I did last time because this time I was only set on really going back to the K-pop shop, and I did buy a few things, but most of them I'm not going to show because I'm saving them as my Christmas present. You'll probably see that in a like Christmas present video in January or something. But one thing I bought, I went to Penny's and I got this gold wire square basket. It was €4. They do have rose gold ones as well, so if you're looking for that, it has a white line here as well. I put all my envelopes in here and also the plastic packaging too, and I sellotape, scissors, at the moment some printer ink just to have it on hand. I also went to Hickey's on Henry Street because the Hickey's in Cork City, in the city, there's still one in Mountain Point, but the one in the city is closed down because their lease was up, unfortunately. But I really wanted fabric because I want to make like my own tote bag. But they have fabric on sale, so I got this nude brown, and I mean, if you know me, you know I love my nude colours. Like when it comes to browns and like neutral pinks and stuff, I love it. But this I got 1 meter for €7. Now quickly onto the K-pop stuff. I did get a few things. I'm showing about half of what I got just because, as I said, some are for Christmas. But I got 2 photo cards. They're not official photo cards, but they're just like copies. They have a really nice matte feel on them. But I got 2 of Taeyong because he's my bias. I got I think it's the L version. It's not the photo card, but like it's the L version of like a picture in the photo book. I got that one, and I also got this one, which I think is from like the summer vacation package or something, but it's him in his very cute. I think because we bought so much that day, the owner of the shop, she was really kind enough to give us give me some free, like almost like postcards, but they're double-sided, printed with the photos from, I don't know which version this is, but I know it's tier. Maybe the U version or Y version? I think it's Y version. But they're really nice. I actually put these in my letter holder just because they're nice to hold. But I am going to be getting a gold wire wall grid, and I will probably clip these onto that. I did get another album. I got the E version of Love Yourself Answer. I haven't opened it. I'm waiting to open it on Christmas Day. See what photo card I got, or I might open it in a video just to, because I'm actually really enjoying watching people unbox albums and seeing who they get as their photo card and stuff. But E version is my favourite version of the Answer album. I think that's a lot of people's opinions as well. But I just love the whole fairy tale kind of aspect of it, and I did do some fan art as well on that, and it's so beautiful. Like I don't care who I get in the photo card, honestly. I can't wait to open this and to see all the photos as well. It did come with a poster too, but I'll put that on the screen here so you know what it looks like. I don't want to open it. I bought a pair of shoes off the PUMA website because they were having a sale, and they also had like an extra 22% off sale, so I was like, I need a new pair of shoes, like. But it did come today, a while ago, about an hour ago. And one thing I just have to say, I haven't opened it yet from the box because I wanted to show you. Like, this has, look at that! That has gone through a lot, and it is like, it's not even sealed enough. Like, PUMA, can you just step up your game a little bit with packaging? Just add a little bit more tape, a little bit longer. I shouldn't be able to feel the air coming out of the box. I love you, PUMA, like I really do. I've never ordered from PUMA online, so this is my first time, and this is a pair of shoes, and I'm like, I know it's going to be fine on the inside, but it's just the packaging on the outside. Could you just do a little more? So I'm going to open that. We need scissors. Snip snip. So we got the scissors. I don't even think I need scissors to open this. You know what? And she's open. Whoa, there's 2 pages. There's one for billing and one for a return slip. There's no bends or anything on that, so that's nice. And the box is in grand condition. Here they are, my babies. Oh, okay. Oh, they're so nice. They're kind of futuristic to me. Oh, it's nice. Ooh, they add like a thick cardboard block into the thing. These are really nice. On the back of it then it says PUMA. They're just black, basically like almost like the sock boots because they go up a bit. That's the bottom of them. I think they're so cool. I'm gonna try these on, show you guys what they look like. Here they are. I really like them. They're very comfortable, and I feel like the sole is really sturdy. So
the back of them.
So that is my haul for basically this month. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to me. If you like me, you can check out more of my videos on my channel, of course. So I think that is all from me today. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.